When your DeWalt Oscillating tool's blade isn't moving or cutting effectively, start with these essential initial checks to identify and resolve the most common issues. First, verify your power source. For cordless models, ensure the battery is fully charged and properly connected. Check battery terminals for any corrosion that could prevent proper contact. For corded models, confirm the power outlet is working and inspect the power cord for any damage. Next, examine the blade installation. Ensure you're using the correct blade type for your material and that it's properly aligned and seated in the mounting system. The blade must be securely tightened and compatible with your specific tool model. Always disconnect the battery before making any blade changes. Check your speed dial setting. Higher speeds work best for wood and soft materials, providing faster cutting action. Lower speeds are better for metal and harder materials, giving you more control and preventing blade damage. Make sure the dial is set appropriately for your current task. Finally, check for overheating issues. If your tool starts intermittently or stops working at full power, it may be overloaded or overheating. Signs include reduced power, intermittent operation, and a hot motor housing. The solution is simple. Turn off the tool and allow it to cool down completely before resuming work. These 4 initial checks, power source, blade installation, speed settings, and overheating, will resolve the majority of blade movement issues with your DeWalt Oscillating tool. If problems persist after these checks, advanced troubleshooting may be required. When basic checks don't resolve the issue, the next step is thorough blade inspection. A damaged or dull blade is often the culprit behind poor cutting performance. Replace the blade immediately if you find any damage. A dull blade not only cuts poorly, but can also strain the motor and cause premature tool failure. Mechanical problems often manifest as jammed triggers or faulty switches. These issues typically result from dust buildup or worn components in the switch mechanism. Excessive vibration during operation indicates mechanical problems. This can be caused by a loose blade, cutting too deeply into material, or loose motor mountings that need attention. Intermittent operation often points to electrical problems. Check for damaged wires, especially where they flex during use, and inspect battery terminals for corrosion or looseness. Motor cleaning is essential for optimal performance. Use contact cleaner specifically designed for electrical components to remove dust, grime, and debris that can cause poor connections. If the motor spins but the blade doesn't move, internal components like gears or drive mechanisms may be broken. This typically requires professional diagnosis and repair. Regular maintenance is the key to extending tool life and preventing problems. Clean your oscillating tool after each use, replace blades when dull, and store in a dry location to prevent corrosion.